Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss test 1 question paper. So here is the first question. Scenario. Following table represent a training set D of class labeled tuples randomly selected from the all electronic customer database. The class label attribute by computer has two distinct value, namely yes, no. Therefore, there are two distinct classes, that is m is equals to 2. If class C1 correspond to yes and class C2 correspond to no, there are 9 tuples of class yes and 5 tuples of class no. A root node n can be created for the tuples in D. Question number 1. Find the splitting criterion for these tuples using computation of information gain of each attribute. So,
Recording in progress.
here is the solution for the first question. So, here is our table for the question. So, first we will find the entropy of complete table, that is 9 by 14 log base to 9 by 14 minus 5 by 14 log base to 5 by 14. Then we will find entropy of each column. So, this is entropy of column H, which has three attributes: youth, middle aged, senior. So entropy of young is 0.9709, entropy of middle aged is 0, and entropy of senior is 0.9709. Now we will calculate the gain. So complete entropy minus 5 by 14 into 0.9709 minus 4 by 14 into 0 minus 5 by 14 into 0.9709. So the information gain is 0.2467. Similarly, we will calculate the entropy of income, which has three attribute: high, medium, low. Then we will calculate the gain. Then we will calculate the entropy of student, which has attribute yes and no. Then we will calculate the gain for student. Then we will calculate entropy for credit rating, which has two attributes, fair and excellent. Then we calculate the gain. So in information gain, we choose the maximum gain as the root node. So here maximum value of gain is of h. So our root node will be h.
Recording in progress.
Now we will divide the table according to age. So we have three attributes in age: young, middle age, and senior. So we have divided the table according to young, middle aged, and senior. So for youth, entropy is 0.9709. Now we will calculate entropy of each attribute, that is income, student, and credit rating. And we will calculate the gain. So here maximum gain is of student. So next node for young will be student. For middle age, we can clearly see if student has value no, then our by computer class is no. And if student had value yes, our by class computer is yes. So it is very clear. We will judge according to students yes or no. Next, for senior, we will calculate the entropy of each attribute, that is income, student, credit rating. Here, maximum attribute gain is of credit rating. So we will judge according to the credit rating. So this is our splitting criteria for these tuples. Now next question was, find splitting criteria for these tuple using Gini index of each attribute. Construct the decision tree.
Recording in progress.
So this is the solution for Gini index. Here we will calculate the Gini of each attribute of age, income, student, and credit rating. And we will calculate the Gini index of each of them. and the lowest value of Gini index will be selected as the root node. So here the lowest value is age. It has similar splitting criteria as of information gain because we are using the same data. So the decision tree form will be this root node age. Then it will split into three. This will be age has three attributes: young, middle aged, and senior. So it will split into three. If young, we will see student. If a student is yes, then it will be yes, and if student is no, it will be no. In middle age, we only have one result, that is yes, and in senior, we will see credit rating. If credit rating is fair, it is yes, and if credit rating is excellent, it is no. So this is question number 2.
Recording in progress.
Now next question is construct decision tree of both the cases and compare the generated rule. So the decision tree for both the cases will be this same, and the generated rule we have seen already above. So that's all for this.
Recording in progress.
So that's all for this question paper. Now we will discuss test 2 question paper in next video.